Hello, good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose. Opportunity is knocking. Come on, you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the first job this morning. I had to go ahead and get the kids ready for school, and they're about to get in their classes and everything. So it's time to get to these jobs. The first job is Intervent, and it's a company called Intervent, and they're a remote position job for $18 to $20 per hour full time. And the customer service role, the role is customer support representative, and it's a full-time remote position. And the benefits of this job is dental insurance, disability insurance, employee assistance program, flexible schedule, and it has health insurance, paid time off, paid training, vision insurance, and work from home. The full job description is you will have to receive and process income inbound, and as required, place calls to end users to address customer inquiries, compliance, and feedback while ensuring adherence to established policies and procedures. Establish a good working relationship with team members and department contacts in order to maintain and continuously strive to improve the level of overall service being provided. Customer support and technical job functions. Connect with customers in order to help resolve and find solutions to customer issues of a general and/or technical nature while ensuring adherence, policies, and procedures. Exercise exceptional communication skills, both listening and speaking, in an effort to optimize each contact. Process inbound and outbound phone calls to collect information, investigate issues, or diagnose and troubleshoot problems. Research and resolve customer issues within the scope of support. Make appropriate referrals when customer issues fall outside the scope of support. Obtain, enter, and verify customer information in designated systems. Document customer notes with clear, concise explanations in a timely and accurate manner. Maintain and establish quality calls per hour and response time metrics while supporting overall goals and objectives. Maintain excellent product knowledge. Establish and maintain a professional relationship with internal and external customers, team members, and department contacts. Escalate to supervisor any situation outside the employee's control that could adversely impact the services being provided. Exercise good judgment and common sense. Minimum requirements are a minimum of bachelor's degree or high school diploma with equivalent work experience. Must be 18 years or older to apply. Reasonable accommodations are here to assist people who need them. We celebrate diversity and are committed to creating an inclusive environment for all employees. And once again, the startup pay will be $18 to $20 per hour. And these are the benefits once again. They do have paid training, and it's a work from home position. And it's an 8-hour shift job Monday to Friday. It's a remote position job, you guys, and hiring for one candidate for this role just got posted today. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, you guys can get into it, and it's an entry-level job, so go ahead and apply. And the next job will be based out in Texas City, Texas. Remote position. It starts at $9.14 per hour to $25.58 per hour. It is full-time or either part-time. And the company is called Big Oak. And the job role for this position is data entry operator. And you will have to have these qualifications. Accuracy is crucial for this position. Candidates must be organized Comply with data integrity and security policies. Requirements and qualifications. Familiar with social media platforms. Must be comfortable with sitting for long periods. High school diploma or equivalent. 1+ years of experience in administrative roles. A+. Proficient with Microsoft Office. Job types of full-time, part-time position. The starting pay will be at $9.14 all the way up to $25.58 per hour. The scheduling will be Monday to Friday, and experience is Microsoft Excel, 1 year preferred, and this is a work from home position. It's a remote position, you guys. So this is ongoing need to fill this role. It doesn't tell me or let you guys know how many people they're hiring for. It just got posted today as of this Monday morning. You guys go ahead and jump on it. If it seems like something that you would like to do, go ahead and apply. Apply. Once again, the company name is Big Oak, and the job role will be for data entry operator. And that's the thing for this job. And the next job will be personal assistant with Greenwood, Syndicate LLC. This company's job role will be personal assistant from Houston, Texas. Based out in Houston, Texas, is a remote position. The start pay is $12 to $15 per hour, and it's a full-time, part-time, or contract position. And the qualification for this job is customer service for 2 years required, U.S. work authorization required, Microsoft Excel for 3 years preferred. And the benefits for this job is 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, professional development assistance, referral program, retirement plan, tuition reimbursement, and vision insurance. The full job description. This position will be performing secretarial work and providing the owner with day-to-day administrative support. Their duties include answering phone calls and managing correspondence, scheduling appointments, and making travel arrangements. They may also be required to organize events, assist with paperwork, among other assistant duties. And this is a day shift job. The scheduling is Monday to Friday. Supplemental pay is a bonus pay and commission pay. And they have certain application questions that you have to answer on this Indeed.com website. Please describe your ability to be in a supportive role to someone else and help them with handling tasks, documentation, organization, etc. And please describe a time you had to handle the most difficult situation in your career and what was the ending results. Now, with this job, you have to have experience. Once again, it's Microsoft Excel, 3 years preferred, customer service, 2 years required. And then they're just hiring for one candidate for this job role. And once again, the job role will be personal assistant for this company called Greenwood Syndicate LLC. And the start pay is $12 an hour to $15 an hour, part-time, full-time, or contract. And that's it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys find this to be resourceful and helpful. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep on shining and sparkling, my diamonds.